finally got it to catch. Oh, that feels nice on my hands. Well, part of the reason I want to get the fire started so fast is I'm kind of hungry right now, so I'm going to go stack up the firewood right there to start drying, and then I'm going to go bust out the food so I could start cooking. I'm going to start by boiling some water. That should be good enough. Take the water and we just put it like right in there. Start to boil eventually. So this right here, a little bit of ptarmigan and some potatoes and some carrots and onions. Move this along and bury it in the ash right over there. We're going to grab this flaming log and we're going to put that right there, and we're going to lay this in there. Oh, and there we go. Dinner is now cooking. Oh, I think the water's done boiling. Just need to grab the hot cocoa mix and marshmallows. Just the water, that.